Hello everybody. So today I will talk about calculus. The topic today is about integration. So now I will show you how to answer. We need to use about integration by past. So I will put this one u equals to s squared. Later that we do first derivative for the both sides, and we have to s ds dv, we have sine 2x ds. The integration of this one, we have v equals to negative 1 over 2 cosine 2x. So we have u multiplied by v. And now I will put the bounds from b over 2 and b. Minus, we have du multiplied by v. So we have number 2 and 1 over 2. They cancel. Negative and negative. We have positive, and now we have the integration for b over 2 to b, and we have s cosine 2x ds. Next, I will put b and b over 2 gone here. So we need to calculate about this one. Oh, I forget about s. And then this one we have negative 5 over 8 b squared. And now we have the next one. We need to use about integration by parts. So I will put about u equals to s. Later that we do first derivative for the both sides, and we have dv equal to cosine 2x ds. The integration of this one, we have v equal to 1 over 2 sine 2x. And now we have u multiplied by v. So that should be about s over 2 sine 2x. And we put the bounds from b over 2 to b. Next, we have the u multiplied by v. That is about negative 1 over 2. And we have the integration of from b over 2 to b. And we have sine 2x ds. And now I will put this one gone here, this one gone here. The integration of this one, we have negative 1 over 2 cosine 2x. And I will put the bounds from b over 2 to b. And this one we have positive 1 over 4 cosine 2x. And now I will put b and b over 2 gone here. So this one you got about 0, and side B you got about 0 in here. This one we have positive number 1. This one we have negative number 1. We have positive 1 over 4. And this one we have 1 over 2. This is the end. Thank you for watching.